Happy Monday, guys. Day whatever of the quarantine or the shutdown. I know it's Monday and I know it's the 6th. That being said, got a good walk for everyone today. Workout of the day. We're gonna kick it off with just a general prep, general warm up. We're gonna do 2 movements and it's gonna last 3 minutes. We're gonna do every 30 seconds, 3 rounds. So the first 30 seconds, we're gonna go Samson stretch. So whether you're doing it with class or on your own, 30 seconds, just in and out, alternating, okay? And then, as we progress through the warm up, see if we can just kind of get a little bit more out of this bottom position, and as well as that reach to the ceiling, okay, through that upper thoracic. So first 30 seconds, Samson stretch, alternating. 30 seconds on the other 30 seconds will be a pausing squat. We're gonna go 1 1000, 2 1000, and up, full extension, right? So 1 1000, 2 1000, full extension, 30 seconds, and again, we're gonna do that for 3 rounds, so a total of 3 minutes. After that, we'll segue into a little bit of mobility. We're gonna go pigeon stretch, okay? Come down, like so. And then my own body weight, I'm just gonna come down onto that leg, okay? We're gonna go 30 seconds, each side. Give you a little side view, 30 seconds, okay? 30 seconds each leg there, guys, for our mobility today. We have some squatting today, so a little pigeon stretch there. After that minute of mobility, we're gonna segue into back squats. 2 parts today, right? We're gonna get a little strength going on the first part, and then we'll hit a Metcon for the second part. So first part, if you have the full setup, we're gonna do a 10 by 6, so 10 sets, 6 back squats coming off a squat rack at 60%. If you don't have the full setup, let's go with maybe partial. I want you to hold an odd object. I got a few things out here, but maybe a backpack. I like the backpack. Let's throw some sand in there. Maybe if you don't have sand, let's throw bags of rice if you have that. I'm sure we're stocked up for our Armageddon, quarantine, whatever. Throw some weight in here, okay? Odd object, we're gonna go speed squats, sit, okay? Every minute on the minute for 10 minutes. So there's a little variation there on this first part. If you have the full setup, we're gonna go 10 sets of 6. Probably gonna be more like 15 minutes for that first part versus if we just have a bag, or maybe it's just, maybe you got a weighted ball, okay? Every minute on the minute. 6, okay? If for some reason we still don't have anything, that's fine. We're gonna go 4 to 6 each side of Cossack squats, okay? So we're gonna go here. If you have to, just come to that heel, right? Send the hips back. Again, this foot here stays planted. This one, as I go that way, is on the heel, okay? Side view. Notice how the hips send back. Again, this is if you don't have any weight at all. 4 to 6 each leg, okay? Every minute on the minute, just like the partial equipment version, all right? After that, I need you guys to lend me your ears for this next part. We have 5 rounds for the Metcon today. 5 rounds of 3 rounds. 90 seconds, okay? Let me see if I can get you guys to see this. Actually, I'm gonna keep you guys there, but 3 rounds of 90 seconds, max cals on a machine. If you don't have a machine, we're gonna come to our backs, okay? Pull on my mat real quick. Again, 90 seconds of a march, a glute march. Okay, so I'm looking for hips extended to the ceiling. Okay, pinning my shoulder blades into the ground, heels driving through the floor. March. You'll notice I'm driving the knees up as if I was standing up like a march into that 90 degrees. But I'm keeping the opposite leg fully extended so my glutes and hamstrings are fired up. Okay, so I want you to tally how many of these you do in 90 seconds, so a minute and a half. Again, this is if you don't have a machine, okay? This is still part of your 3 rounds, which is 1 round of 5 rounds. So it's like an AMRAP within a Metcon, right? Or a round. AMRAP within an AMRAP. So 90 seconds, marches or counts on a machine. 60 seconds with either a dumbbell, kettlebell. If you don't have, say you don't have a kettlebell or a dumbbell, we can go, I have a paint can for an example. Hang. And again, I didn't specify if we had to alternate, guys. All right. But again, try to keep that workload even. So side view. Hang to that front rack. Stand up, stand, reset. So the goal there is 60 seconds, keeping track of reps. It's really important that as we go through these 3 rounds within 1 round, you keep track of your reps. We're gonna need it for round 4, okay? Reason being is after I go through 90, 60, 30, 90, 60, 30, 90, 60, 30 in round 4, we're gonna need that total amount of reps it took you to do within 3 minutes. I got ahead of myself. So 90, 60, 30 of an odd object, and you're gonna hold an odd object. Could be your backpack, right? Could be your can. And we're gonna carry it for 30 seconds. And back and forth in our garage, wherever we're at. If for some reason, guys, you don't have an odd object to carry, let's go air squats. We're gonna go air squats for that 30 seconds. Okay? So, for the rep count though, in round 1, because again, I want rep count. If you go 30 seconds just holding, or if you do, or let's just say you do the holding, 30 seconds of that is 30 reps. And you're going to times that for 3, okay? Or if you do the holding odd objects, right? Whether it's a can or your backpack, just keep track of your squats for that 30 seconds. You're going to repeat that, so 90, 60, 30, 90, 60, 30, 90, 60, 30 is 1 round. We got 5 rounds, okay? Do the math, that is 3 minutes per round, except like I said, when we get to round 4, I need you, because you roll your reps down after round 1, I need you to try to beat your time, or as best you can, come close to 3 minutes for however many reps you were able to perform, okay? So the goal here, guys, the intended stimulus is to not get out too hot, but still kind of flirt with that line, right? Push the pace, don't game it to where your score is not as good as it could be, okay? So let's kind of use that first round, get into an aggressive pace, maybe like 7 to 8 RPE, somewhere in there. That being said, you're gonna do round 2, right? 90, 60, 30, 90, 60, 30, 90, 60, 30. Round 3, 90, 60, 30, 90, 60, 30, 90, 60, 30. Just try to be consistent there. And then round 4, you're gonna do for time. So however many reps you did in round 1, you're gonna do it in 4, but you're gonna try to beat 3 minutes, or however long or how, try to get as close as you can within that time frame, right? So if I did 200 reps in 3 minutes, I'm gonna try to mimic that come round 4. And then just give it hell round 5, whatever you have left there. I will say this, if you don't have any weight and you get to the odd object part with the cleans, right? The hang, clean, and jerk. If you don't have anything, and you have something like a cooler, let's just go up and overs, okay? For reps versus the hang, clean, and jerk with one arm, okay? You're welcome to jump up and over. But again, keep track of your reps there. And then if you don't, again, you're still no weight, we're just gonna go air squats, okay? On that portion of 30 seconds. That's it, guys. We'll have a finisher with windshield wipers laying on our backs on the floor. We'll go 3 sets of like 6 to 10 on each side. Have a good Monday, guys. And then again, if you guys have any questions regarding any of the movements or equipment or something like that, just shoot us a message via IG or our website. Have a good day. Bye.